Clipping masks, their purpose and how to use them. In this scenario, I want to make the penguin black and white. So I'll select the penguin layer, come to my adjustment layers, black and white, and this is the issue. Yes, the penguin becomes black and white, but so do all the layers beneath. The way around this is to clip the adjustment to the penguin layer, the layer directly beneath it. The easiest way to do this is to hold down the Option or Alt key and then click on the horizontal line dividing the layers. I'll just undo that. If I anticipate the need for a clipping mask, I can hold down the Option or Alt key when I'm choosing the adjustment layer and then check this box. Use previous layer to create clipping mask. Alternatively, I can make or release a clipping mask from the Layers panel menu. Use the keyboard shortcut Command Option G or Control Alt G, or the same option exists under the layer menu. An alternative way of getting the same result, I'll just unclip that layer now, is to put these two layers, the adjustment and the layer beneath it, into their own group. So I will select them both, Command or Control G to put them into a group, and then change the blending mode of the group to normal. You can also use clipping masks to clip a layer to a shape. In this case, I want the clouds to be in the shape of the type. I need to change the stacking order of the layers. The type needs to go beneath the clouds. I'll select the clouds layer, make that into a clipping mask. Here's another idea. I'd like to make this panoramic image into a grid. I'm going to come to my guides and choose New Guide Layout. I'll have a 40 pixel margin and then specify 4 columns with a 40 pixel gutter. Now I'll come and choose my rectangle tool. In this case, I want to be drawing a shape rather than a path. Doesn't matter what color these shapes are. I'll draw one and then duplicating it by holding down the Option or Alt key and the Shift key and dragging away from it. The Shift key will constrain the movement of the copy. So I'm now going to select all 4 of those rectangles, press Command or Control G to put them into a group. I now want to clip the image layer to that group. So if you want to clip something to multiple layers, put those layers into a group. I'll unlock the background layer by double clicking on it, clicking OK, then drag it above the group, and now hold down Option or Alt, and then hold Option or Alt and click on the line that separates the layer from the group beneath. Just to finish this off, I'll create a solid color layer of white and drag that down to the bottom, and then hide the guides, Command or Control, semicolon.